Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have your live set at the BPM you want and the sample loaded. Now begin by enabling Warp so Live can detect tempo. Once Warp is active, set the warp marker at the first downbeat and confirm the clip's start time aligns with the grid. Make sure the clip's original tempo is shown in the clip view. If it's wrong, type the correct BPM. This sets up tight timing and prevents unwanted drift as you proceed to fine-tuning. Now focus on the detailed alignment. Zoom into the waveform and add transient warp markers on the main hit so Live won't stretch everything globally. Once markers are set, drag those markers to the nearest grid lines or bars to lock each event to your project tempo. For rhythmic samples, choose Beats mode and set groove timing later. For melodic audio, use complex. After aligning, play and loop to hear if beats sit correctly, finish by adjusting the clip gain and timing offsets for musical balance, then apply a groove if you want humanized swing. Once satisfied, consolidate the clip to commit the edits. Make sure the master BPM hasn't changed unexpectedly. If it did, undo and relock your warp markers. If you hear artifacts, switch warp modes or resample at the project rate, a key troubleshooting step. Confirm the file's sample rate matches the project and disable any duplicate warping that causes phasing or timing shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.